Now bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down for sinking the chi. Deep breath in, and out. In, and out. And if you're not already there, take one foot, whichever foot, and step it out about shoulder width and sink the chi. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now the arms come out in front of us and drift back down. Like a wave in the ocean, up and down. Don't forget to take that deep breath in and out. And now round your arms out in front of you like you're giving a nice big hug. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now one hand, whichever hand, will float to the top of the chest, and the other will follow underneath and embrace the moon. Toss that moon into the sky, switch your hands, and catch it again. Deep breath in, and out. In, and out. Deep breath in and out. And now we're going to bring this foot with us, like you're scooping under and picking that foot up. I'm going to step out, and we're going to have our palms facing but not touching, and push. And this is ward off. This hand is going to drop, circle, and this hand will fold under and catch that moon again and ward off. Deep breath in and out. Turn at your hips. Catch that moon again. Ward off. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now we're going to flip our hands over, two palms touching, but not, two palms facing, but not touching. And we're going to slide down and ward off. And this slide down is roll back. And ward off, roll back. Deep breath in and out. In and out. In and out. And now we're going to take our hands, and as we're turning with the hip, we need to turn, and we're going to toss to the side, cross the wrists, and turn back with our hips, and push. And roll back, roll back, toss, cross, and push. Deep breath in, and out. In, and out. And now we're going to add the last piece, which is pull in, push out. Deep breath in and out. And when you're pushing out, push with your whole body. It's like if you were pushing a piano across the room, you wouldn't just use your hands, you'd use your whole body. So it's not a motion like this, it's here with the whole body. And now soften the elbows, open. And now we're going to pull in this foot, catch the moon, and step out and ward off. Turn. Make your circles with your hands and catch that moon again. Ward off. This hand falls, makes a circle, and this hand just falls underneath. Catch that moon again. And ward off. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now flip our hands over, two palms facing, but not touching, and roll back. Ward off, roll back. Deep breath in and out. And now, turning at the hips, toss, cross, and press. Roll back, toss, cross, and press. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now pull in, push out. And all together, all these moves put together is called grasping the bird's tail. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Soften the elbows, open, and catch that moon on the other side. And forward off, roll back, toss, cross, press, pull in, push out, soften the elbows, open, forward off, roll back, toss, cross, and press. Pull in, push that piano across the room, and back to the other side. Deep breath in, and out. In and out. Hold off, roll back, toss, cross, and press. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Open just to center and sink the chi.